Hello, in this video I will introduce and explain how to configure settings on RX300 leakage relay both manually and via NFC. As you guys can see here, there are two display sections. The one on the left is function and the one on the right is data. The function here on the left means the existing current detected on the circuit, and on the right shows zero value means there is no leakage current. This relay will store up to 3 most recent fault records. You can check them by scrolling using the reset button. This is the first one, the most recent fault record. This is the second one, and this is the third one, the oldest fault record. Firstly, in order for you to change the setting, you need to enter menu mode. You can enter the menu mode by press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. Here, E1 is blinking. The left display is blinking, means it is in menu mode. The first one is E1. Delta N, which is the leakage current sensitivity. The setting is in milliampere and the setting range is from 20 milliamp to 30 amp. So in order for you to change the setting, you need to press the up and down button together. Then you can change the setting. Here I will change it to 350 for example. Then to save the setting, repeat the same step, press up and down button simultaneously. Now the data 350 stop blinking, means the settings are already saved. So this is how you change the setting in all other functions. Next, scroll to the second function, which is E2 delta T. This is strip time delay. The settings is in second and the setting range is from 0.1 second to 10 seconds. Next one is E3 pre-fault setting. The pre-fault setting is also in milliampere and setting range is from 10 milliamp to 24 milliamp. And the last function, which is function 4 reset hysteresis. This is in percentage. 5 means 5% of the leakage current sensitivity, and the setting range is from 2% to 10%. After all settings are made, you can exit the menu mode by press and hold the reset button again. Now, I will teach you how to change RX300 settings using our newly added feature, which is NFC. You can use this feature by downloading our mobile application from Google Play if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iOS. To connect your phone to the relay, open the application and choose click to activate NFC and place the back of your phone to the NFC tags of the RX300. You can feel a vibration or a sound to indicate that your RX300 is connected to the phone already. In the application, there will be 3 pages. One is status, the second one is settings, and the third one is record. In the status page, this is where your current measurement, alarm, and output use will be showed. To read the measurement, simply press the read button and then place the back of your phone to the NFC tag. After successful read, it will display your current measurement, alarm, and output. Next page is the setting page. This is where you can change the leakage setting, function setting, and clock setting. First, read the NFC tag again to display your current setting. Okay. After that, if you want to change the setting, you need to enable NFC shortcut on the relay first. Simply hold the down button for 3 seconds until the left display shows FB. Then you can enable the NFC by press the up and down button together and change it to yes. Then save the setting by press the up and down button together again. Then exit. This NFC enable will be active for 5 minutes. Now you can change the setting via NFC. Let's say for example, if you want to change your leakage current sensitivity from 350 milliamp to 400 milliamp, then click save, and then you will change your setting now 0.4. Now let's look at the last page, which is the record page. This page will display 120 events of power failure and setting changes with time records, including 30 faults and 30 pickups. To display events, press refresh and place the back of your phone to the NFC tag again. Now, all 120 events, 30 faults and 30 pickups will be displayed. You can save them in Excel files by press the export Excel. Then an Excel will be generated for you.